Well, so much for the waterfalls today. We are at the ER. So I took the day off to spend it with the family, take a drive, and go to the waterfalls. And on our way there, I twisted wrong, popped my hip in and out, and sprained several ligaments and ended up in the ER. So now we get to drive past the waterfalls and enjoy the view of the walker in the back of my car. Well, at least we got to see them. We're here, but that's about as far as I can go. I'm on the little lookout point with my walker. Okay, so this is today's current situation. We are laid up in bed. I've got the posturepedic, or whatever it's called, the back and foot end elevate. So I've got both ends propped up into like a U shape with my leg elevated. I've got a pillow under my hip with the heating pad on it, per doctor's orders, and we're stuck in bed. So we're just going to get our Bible study in today and spend the day with the Lord.